Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about what is inside a 4% group and the training programs that are available, the opportunities that are coming up, and what it means to be a gold member of 4% group and how that can change everything for you in your marketing career. All right, here we are inside of the 4%.com website. We're on the homepage here, and this is what you will see every time you log in as a gold member of 4%. Right here at the top, you'll always have any upcoming events, anything that is important will be here in a message. Any of his recent recordings that he's done will be right below that in this latest videos section. And then we get into the heart of what 4% has to offer. All right, I want to take just a moment here and explain something because I know that some people will not like what 4% has to offer. And those are generally the people who are looking for a completely done for you system that gives you a product that you sell and make somebody else rich and you get a little bit of it. 4%.com is not that opportunity. 4%.com is an actual training that teaches you how to start a real business selling whatever it is to whomever it is that you want to, and how to make that more profitable by increasing your ability to market, learning what affiliate marketing can do for any business online, and how to package that into an ecosystem that will make you income residually. So I just needed to let you know that before we continue. Offer. These are the different areas here of the community that you can go into. Basic setup information, 12 rules of what it means to be a 4% member, what we strive for as a community are contained in this section. If you're a VIP partner, that's here. Unfortunately, this opportunity is no longer available, but there are other things that you can get involved with as a 4% member. Now, probably what you really are interested in seeing is this course section here. So we'll take a look at that. These are the courses that become available to you as a 4% member. And probably the majority of everybody who joins with him will eventually go through this affiliate marketing academy. They have a 30-day success challenge, and it's really centered on getting your business started and teaching you some of the things that people don't necessarily tell you about. And he walks you through everything that you need to know, all the questions that you would have as a new marketer, kind of lost in the world. Mass Traffic Blueprint is an offer that's available right now, and it is a traffic generation education. It teaches you some of the basics of traffic generation, but it also goes through and teaches you some of the areas that maybe you've never heard of before, opportunities to get traffic and drive traffic to your offers that are untaught in the marketplace. He has them in there for you to learn. So if you're interested in getting a taste of what 4% is about, that might be a better option for you. Whatever you're after, see if you can find it here. Because another great opportunity that we're involved in is the Wealth Autopilot Academy. Um, it is an opportunity for you to generate crazy amounts of money and do it with a product that you really feel good about, helping people to safeguard their wealth through gold and silver and create generational wealth while you're at it. It's an opportunity that I think is amazing and more people need to really take a look at. So maybe that's something that you should look at too. And there's furthering education as we go down here. He gets into specific areas of internet traffic, list building tactics, communication and copywriting. That's a really good course. Conversion mastery. It's another excellent course he teaches. Tribe building mastery. That's all about how you build your following online. That's a great one. E stage is all about our proprietary web building, website building software that we are using as part of 4%. It's amazing. It's probably, no, it is the best website builder on the market, hands down. And you'll be seeing and hearing more of that to come here very shortly. And SEO mastery, he brings in some other teachers who maybe are more skilled in certain areas or have just exceptional training programs to help further your education. Another powerful one is his Mindset of Champions. I really liked that course. I thought it was really good. And then we've got new ones coming out. Business Launch Blueprint. That is a new course that's on its way, and it should be pretty pretty cool. It's going to lay out exactly how to start whatever kind of business you want online and what will make it successful. And as you can see, it goes on this e-commerce, there's Facebook, there's PPC, persuasion, basically anything you need to run a business online. There's a course here inside of 4% that you can learn to be a master of business. So I hope that's been helpful seeing inside the courses. Let's just take a brief look here at the rest of what 4% has to offer. The Chicky Boom Network, that's our private members only offers that we can promote online. It comes with pre-made funnels done for you. All you have to do is connect it to your hub and ready to go. And if you haven't heard about hub building yet, it's the future of marketing online. It's the future of business online. Search engines are going to be promoting brands over people, and you'll want to have a hub as your home base to brand your business. Otherwise, you're going to really struggle in the future to be noticed online. And Vic goes into that in extensive in his training. So I hope these are helpful. I hope you guys have seen some things here. If you liked what I had to show you, hit the thumbs up so more people can see it. If you had comments or other things that you want me to cover that I didn't cover in this video, put them in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you do get my future trainings and inside looks into these training programs so you can get a front row view of it without having to purchase it, so you know whether or not you want to be involved. But I highly recommend 4%. I think it will change the way that you look at doing business online, and I think it'll bring your ability to generate life-changing income to being a real possibility. Thank you for watching. I'm Peyton Eckman, founder of Peyton Eckman Project, and this is what we do. We bring you the real inside looks, no bullshit, real truthful opinions about what we think about companies. And this is 4%.com.